Hello everyone and welcome to Logos Online Lesson 2 Part 3. Привет, меня зовут Лена. For this lesson, I've prepared some cognates that are written with the letters we've learned so far. So try to read them. Act, act, act. Coca-Cola, Coca-Cola, Coca-Cola. Salad, a salad, salad. Adam, Adam, Adam. Disc, a disc, disc. Karma, karma. Idiot, idiot, idiot. Zombie, zombie, zombie. Toaster, a toaster. Here the letter Y is pronounced E and not Y because it's a word of foreign origin. Toaster. Canada, Canada, Canada. Dollar, dollar, dollar. America, America, America. Disketa, a diskette, disketa. Actrisa, an actress, actrisa. Acrobat, an acrobat, acrobat. Discoteca, a disco, a nightclub, discoteca. So in this word, the stress falls on the letter Y. The vowel O is therefore not stressed, and you can see that it precedes the stressed vowel. So it's pronounced A. Discoteca.